looking quite beige. Got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me. I need something fast. I need something to last and give satisfaction, no. Help me. Grab his right arm. Help me. I'll take the left. Oh, help me. Help me. Interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? What can I be saying? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? What can I be saying? I wanna catch the wave. Hey, all this fake news. Tell me, what is the use? Tell me, there's no more compassion, no. Come and find me under these layers, among these taxpayers. There's no satisfaction, no. I said, help me, help myself, forgive me, down from the shelf, oh, help me, help me.
I wrote you, but you still ain't calling. I left my cell, my pager, and my home phone at the bottom. I sent 2 letters back in Ireland. You must not have got them. There probably was a problem with the post office or something. Sometimes I scribble addresses too sloppy when I jot them. But anyways, fuck it. What's been up, man? How's your daughter? My girlfriend's pregnant too. I'm about to be a father. Guess what I'ma call her? I'ma name her Bonnie. I read about your Uncle Ronnie, too. I'm sorry. I had some friend kill himself over some chick who didn't want him. You probably hear this every day, but I'm your biggest fan. I even got the underground shit you did with Scan. I got a room full of your posters and your pictures, man. I even like that shit you did with Rockets. That shit was fat. Anyways, man, hit me back just to chat. Truly yours, your biggest fan. This is Stan.